right, I am about to do my makeup and I wanted to just come on here and do a quick happy November the 1st video. I kind of feel like this is digital journal entry this month, guys. Like, try to make your goals as well. Maybe while you're listening to this, get a pen, paper, make the intention. But November 2024, I am ready to completely go all in. That's what you need to do. That's literally what you need to do when it comes to life. It's like, go in. Don't mind my makeup. I'm about to do a little bit of makeup. I wanted to come on here on this page and just for anybody who needs pick me up. It's a brand new month. It is a brand new month. The year is not over. You can do it. You can definitely do it. It literally takes having the ability to set your mind on a goal, see that goal, and then see the finish line. See you completing the goal. I have set some goals for myself, and I'm excited to be able to come back here a month from now and be able to share with you. And if you're setting these goals and you're seeing this at whenever time, it could be November 2024, December, January, February. I kind of want to leave this as a timestamp for whoever sees this to be able to write down your goal and then come back a month later and then say, this is what I've done, or just progress and keep moving forward. So I want to wish you guys like a blessed month, whatever month you are in. If you're catching this November 2024, leave a comment down below. But this is a brand new channel, so I don't know what I'm going to expect. I'm not expecting anything. I'm expecting it to be digital journal for myself. And if I get fortunate enough for others to see this, especially when you're in your 40s, you're starting a new YouTube channel where you're just gonna make this unbelievably as authentic as you can and just show up. That's what this is. I didn't even introduce myself. So my name is Roxy. I just started this channel yesterday. It is simply about just showing up, being authentic, and challenging yourself to just be in front of the screen and just go after it. If you're seeing this today on November the 1st, definitely leave a comment down below or anytime and just keep moving forward. Just keep moving forward. I know there's times where you literally are like, let me just give up. Let me stop. This is not working. Keep moving forward. Pivot, make some changes, make some adjustments, but keep going, because whatever that vision that you have, whatever that dream that you see for yourself, you can attain it, you can get it, because you're only able to see that dream or that vision because you already have it. A part of you already has it. So now you have to go after it and actually grab it. I wish you guys an amazing day. Stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. So for anyone who sees this page is just a way to reflect, to share, and I just want to find my community when it comes to this motivation, self-growth, self-development, becoming better, and just a positive community. So I hope you guys will join me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.